Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So my dear students, today we are going to do the exercise of chapter number 7, a ride on the metro, from your English reader book. So in the explanation of this chapter, I told you that what is a metro? Metro means underground railway system. So in this chapter, we had read the story A Ride on the Metro. So in this story, Reena and Tinu were visiting their uncle, aunt and cousin Benu in Delhi. They had come from a small town called Gaya. Gaya is in Bihar and it does not have metro. Gaya has only carts, bus, cycles, rickshaw, car, etc. So in the story, Aunt Anjali is going for shopping, but Reena and Tinu want to go for a ride on the metro because they do not have metro on their town. Now, let's do the exercise of this chapter. Question number A. Answer the following question. Question number 1. Who were Reena and Tinu visiting? So the answer for this question is Reena and Tinu were visiting their uncle, aunt and cousin Benu in Delhi. Now look at the second question. Why did not Reena and Tinu want to go shopping? So the answer for question number 2 is because they want to go for a ride on the metro. Now let's come to the question number 3. Why could not the children see through the window at first? So in the answer of question number 3, you have to write because the train was underground. Did Reena and Tinu enjoy their first ride on the metro? So in the answer of question number 4, you have to write yes. Reena and Tinu enjoy their first ride on the metro. Now let's come to the 5th one. Take the correct words. An escalator is a stair that moves or sliding doors. So the correct words for an escalator is stair that moves. Now question number A is completed. You have to write this in your fair copy. Now let's come to the question number B. Who said these words? Write their names on the blanks. So my dear students, here few words are given. You have to recognize these words and write their names on the given blanks. The first one is today we want to go for a ride on the metro. So these words are said by Reena. The second one is where is the metro? So these words are said by Reena. So in first and second you have to write Reena. The next word is, the third one is, here's our train. So these words was said by Aunt Anjali. Look at the fourth one. Did you have fun? So these words are said by Aunt. Now question number B is also completed. Now play with words. Question number C. Find and write the opposite of these words from the lesson. So students, here you have to write opposites of these words. First one is already done for you. Similar. So the opposite word for similar is different. Look at the next one. Carelessly. So the opposite word for carelessly is carefully. The next one is closed. So here you have to write opened. The next one is always. So the opposite word for always is never. Next is pushed. Opposite word of pushed is pulled. The last one is happily. So the opposite word for happily is sadly. Let's come to the question number D. Fill in the blanks with correct words from the brackets. The first one is my friends blank coming after blank. So in first blank you have to write ARER, and in the second blank you have to write HOURR. My friends are coming after an R. The next one is I bought blank books blank my sister. So in the first blank you have to write FOUR, and in the next blank you have to write FOR. I bought 4 books for my sister. The third one is, this is the blank way to blank your answer. So in the first blank you have to write RIGST, right? And in the next blank you have to write WRIT, right? Let's come to the fourth one. The kangaroo has blank short legs and blank long ones blank. So here you have to write the kangaroo has TWO2 short legs and TWO2 long ones TOO2. The kangaroo has 2 short legs and 2 long ones too. Now let's come to the question number E. Make smaller words from these words. Now students, look here. 3 words are given. You have to make smaller words from these words. The first word is token. So from token you make 2 small words TEN10 and NET net. Similarly, from the next word platform you can make a smaller word FLAT flat and MAT mat. The next one is children. So from children you make word LID lead, and the next one is CHI and chill. Now the exercise number A, B, C, D and E is completed. I hope you understand all these exercises by the help of this video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.